Today's 2-minute tech tip is on getting started with Windows 10. Since our teachers switched to Windows 10, I've noticed there are some tips and tricks that you might need to know. For example, on your taskbar, you have some icons that you won't need, like this mail. If you right-click, you can unpin that from the taskbar. You also won't need the Microsoft Store or Microsoft Edge. If you want Google Chrome pinned to your taskbar, if you right-click it, you can say pin it to the taskbar and it will be there. You could do that also with Firefox or Outlook or any other apps. You can also use the Windows key on your keyboard. If you click it once, it brings up a space for you to type what you need. I want to change my default browser, so I'm going to type default, and it automatically brings up default app settings, which is where I want to go. So I click on that. Here I can reset my default email to Outlook. I can change my default video player to VLC. And down here I want to change my default web browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome or to Firefox. Once I do that, it will ask me if I want to switch anyway, and I say yes. Also, you can make your taskbar smaller. I don't like for this big box to be so large because I get a lot of things open down here. So if I go to my taskbar settings by right-clicking on my taskbar, I can choose Use Small Taskbar Buttons. And when I do, it makes them all smaller, which for me is helpful because I get a lot of windows open at the same time. I hope you found a few of these tips useful, and we'll see you next week for 2-minute tech tips.